Welcome to Learn, Apply and Build. I am Meet Jetwa, your instructor, and today we are going to do a very cool project called the BMI calculator. Okay, so let's get started. To initialize, I have just created a file called bmi.py. You can label it as anything. Okay, remember the .py extension is used for labeling the file as a Python file. And let's get started. So we just create a function called BMI and we enter the function. Now we generally the BMI is calculated using your height and the weight. I'll come to the formula in a bit, but then we accept the user's height is equals to, and then we just typecast it and take the input from the user as enter your height in centimeters. So we need the height in centimeters. So just keep that in mind. Why? I'll just come to that in a bit. And we just need the weight is equals to, and weight we need it in kgs. So this will be the same thing, float, input, enter, and enter your, oh, I just forgot, enter your R, enter your weight in kgs. So I need the weight in kgs. Once that is done, we can enter the formula. So BMI is calculated with your weight and not multiplied by, but your weight divided by your height, and the height is also divided by 100, height divided by 100, and then that is raised to 2 square, the height divided by 100 square, right? So that's the formula. And then once this formula is given, so we have already called both the variables here in the formula, and now I can just print the BMI. So to print the BMI, I can just write print and then F for format, and then I can write your BMI is, and then I can use curly brackets and then label it as BMI. So whatever the BMI is here gets printed here. At the end, your BMI is. But this is not the end of the project. I want to make sure that I am healthy with my BMI, right? So I just write an if and else ladder for that. So you can do this in multiple ways, but this is the easiest way to write the code. Okay, this is the easier way. It's a bit lengthy, I know that, but it's a bit easier. So it's 18.4. If your BMI is less than or equal to 18.4, then I'll just print a statement that you are underweight. You are underweight, right? Now it's the same way. Like I can just copy and paste it here, like the if and else statements. So now I need an, oh, sorry. So now what do I need is I need the elif statements instead of if, and I need it twice or thrice more. So it will be elif here again, and the value will be not 18.4, it will be, the next value is 24.9. The next value is after this, okay, sorry, elif, the next value is 29.9. The other, after that, the value will be elif again. Change this if all ifs to elif, because there are multiple if statements, so you can use an elif there. And here the last value is 39.9, 9.9, sorry, 9. Now after these, the first one was overweight, the second one is if your BMI comes under 24.9, then you are healthy, you are perfectly fine, healthy, fit, HEALTHY, healthy, right? Now after that is overweight, After that is severely overweight, and after that is obese. Now, if these values don't come inside, and if the BMI is still more than that, then we just write an else statement. And after this else, we just print. After this else, we print you are severely obese. That's it. And then just return return the BMI at the end. Now, after returning the BMI, I need to call the BMI or invoke the BMI function here, right? So I just call the BMI function and I save this file now and try to run this file. So what was the name of that file we saw? It was bmi.py, right? So I just write python 3 bmi.py. As soon as I run it, it gives me what is my height, enter my height. So I enter my height as 120, it's, oh sorry, 176 centimeters, and my weight is 74 kgs. So yeah, it tells me that your BMI is 20.889. Okay, that comes under 24.9, and so I am perfectly fine and healthy. Okay, so try your BMI calculator and just in the comment section, just enter your BMIs and just let me know that what category your weight comes under. Okay, this is a cool project. You can also create an API using this small project and in a Flask application, something of that. Okay, so let me know in the comment section. Now you can also create a chat bot for people to calculate the BMI for them. Okay, and it's a cool application. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.